Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again. In this video, I would like to talk about how to speak English faster. You are so much upset person and you are saying that I learn English but I forget. I try to remember the vocabulary. I try to remember the English phrase but I forget. Now I try to memorize all the system and following the system I try to speak English but I forget. There are so many reasons for that. And from our childhood, what we have done how we have learned our own language, right? And we have learned our own language with listening, right? And to my mother and father said that here it is. This is live. This is live, and take it. Take this live. Take this live, right? And like this, we have practiced a lot, long time, and we have listened all time, and we have listened to my grandfather, grandmother, from all that kind of people. But when we are trying to learn English, when we are trying to speak English fluently, I forget that I have to listen long time. Using the ear, I have to listen just, I have to listen the language. What language you can speak, so you should listen at the first time. Without listening, it's impossible. So every day you should listen at least 3 hours every day. Listening part is most important part. So you are thinking that I can't speak English fluently. I try to speak English fluently, but I can't do that. So what you have to do? So you should think in English when you are in your house, when you are going to college, or when you are playing cricket, when you are sleeping, when you are doing something, when you are working, all the time you have to think in English, right? For example, you are sleeping, you are sleeping, so at the time of sleeping you can practice like that. Oh, I'm sleeping, and if I sleep properly, my health condition will be very nice. And sleep is very important for human being, right? And you are playing football. Oh, give me the ball, give me the ball, I will play properly, I will give a goal, give me the ball, I will hit a ball. So give me chance, let me bat first, let me bowl first. And like this we have to say again and again. That is the power, that is the emotion will work like that. And if you think like that, you are going to riding bicycle, and while riding bicycle you can say that I'm riding bicycle, and riding bicycle is very easy, and I enjoy the riding bicycle, and I like to ride bicycle very much, and I can ride bicycle quickly with a high speed. So like this, everywhere you can go, so every places you can think in English. Think is very important for learning English. So if you think in English just 5 minutes, and it will be grow up, your mind will be grow up, and you can see that you are trying to speak English fluently. And yes, you can speak English fluently if you practice like this, if you think in English, and if you break your negative emotion. Negative emotion, that means I can't do it, it's very hard, I can't talk in English, and I have to learn so many grammar rules. So that kind of emotion is negative. So you have to remove this kind of negative emotion, and you have to follow positive emotion. You have to action with positive emotion. Yes, I can do it, yes, I will do it. Within 6 months I will learn English, and I have to listen English at least 3 hours every day. And if you act like this, and if you act like this positive way, you can speak English fluently. You have to maintain so many things. You have to listening, you have to writing, you have to action with speaking. Yes, and you have to work. You have to work. That means you have to make so many sentence using the phrase. You have to learn phrases, not learn individual word all the time. Try to learn English phrases. Phrases is very important for you. And changing the phrase, you can make a lot of sentence. You can make 30, 40 sentence, and then you can practice again and again, then it will be helpful for you. And if you do that, you can speak English fluently. So I think this video was very, very helpful for you. If you think this video is very, very helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and to share with your friends. I'll see you with a new topic with another video. Allah Hafiz.